Gene Hackman and wife. Carbon monoxide theory. Officially ruled out. Hey friends! Breaking update on the heartbreaking Gene Hackman story. Authorities have now officially confirmed that carbon monoxide was not the cause of death for the legendary actor and his wife Betsy. Santa Fe County Sheriff Aden Mendoza just revealed at a Friday press conference that both Hackman and his wife tested negative for carbon monoxide. But here's where things get even more mysterious. Based on Hackman's pacemaker data, authorities believe his last day alive was February 17th. That's 9 days before their bodies were discovered. The search warrant revealed some truly sad details. Hackman's body was found fully clothed near his sunglasses, suggesting he may have fallen. His wife Betsy was discovered in the bathroom, near an open bottle of pills and a space heater. Even more heartbreaking, her body showed signs of mummification in her hands and feet, indicating they both might have been deceased for quite some time. While authorities still don't suspect foul play, they're awaiting complete autopsy and toxicology results before making any final determinations. The couple was found in different parts of their Santa Fe home, along with their deceased dog. This development adds even more questions to the passing of the 95-year-old two-time Oscar winner and his 64-year-old wife, who had been married since 1991. Hackman was truly one of Hollywood's greatest talents, winning Academy Awards for The French Connection and Unforgiven during his remarkable career. As investigators continue their work, fans worldwide are still processing this tragic end to an incredible life story.